Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily install your USB Windows on your USB flash. So for doing this you just need to take your to download a version of Windows ISO which you will create and which you will install to your USB and create installation USB flash bootable. And also, after you download a version of Windows, you can you see here this name balena.io. This is site. Here you also can find different version. It's free. You know, it's really good that it's also free for Windows. For Mac versions it's portable, and installer version you can portable, it means that you can download it and use it without installation. Installer, it means that you need to install this program before you use it. So here you can see versions for Mac, for Linux. So it's really also free, and it's very easy to use it. So just choose your version you want to, your operation system, portable or installer, and just download it. And after you do it, just open it. I will show you how you can create bootable USB flash with this service. So here you select your ISO version or another version of Windows you download to your computer you want to install it. Here you can see my version. So I need to change and use another ISO version. So after you choose your ISO version, here you choose your device. So you choose here your USB flash, and you just choose flash after you do it. And now you just need to wait some time after it will load all of your installation to your USB flash and create bootable USB flash. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.